Okay. What did you learn how to do?
This.
And what is it that you're doing? What is it that you're doing? What is your daughter doing, Dave?
No, don't point it at me.
Huh?
Don't point it.
What is your daughter doing?
She's raising her eyebrows.
Oh, let's see again. Very good, Katie. You just learned how to do that, huh? Very good. Did you ever learn how to wink? Let me see that. Look at Mom.
Yep, get him to wiggle. Okay, wiggle your ears.